Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix a Samsung dryer when it's not heating. First of all, you need to disassemble the dryer. To disassemble it, you need to grab a power tool. All the tools and materials I'm gonna use in this video you will find in the links below this video. So, first, two screws is on the back, you unscrew them. When it has been unscrewed, just pull it out. Before you take this part out, remove the control board. Just lift it up, unhook these two connectors. Next step would be to remove the front panel. There are screws over here and on this side, so you just unscrew them. Then carefully remove the front panel and remove this sensor from here. Lift it up and remove it. The main issue that would be why the Samsung dryer won't be heating is gonna be because of the hidden element that's located in this area. So in order to reach this area, I would recommend to remove the drum and work on it from the top. As you can see, there is only 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here, and also 3, 4 screws on this panel. Be careful with wires. Put it aside, unscrew these screws. There is one more screw over here. Now you can remove the assembly. Don't forget to disconnect the wire on the bottom. Now when you have all this available space, you need to remove this cover by unscrewing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Here is the last one. Oh, it's also held by 2 screws for the fuse. Here's our hidden element. What we need to do is disconnect these 2 wires. Alright, to remove these wires we need something thin. You see this hole in here. You just push it and remove the wire. One, same situation is the wire on the bottom. There's a little hook, you need to straighten it up and remove it. And if you take a look on the hidden element, you will find over here, you see, it's a correct wire. Because of the high temperature and sometimes dryer vent is clogged or something else, so this hidden element is not so reliable, cannot resist the high temperature. So you can buy this hidden element in the link in the description below this video. And now it's time to install the new hidden element. It's a pretty much situation when you assemble everything backwards. Insert the wires, hook them to the connectors, make sure it clicks, secure it, put the cover back on, make sure that all holes are aligned, put all the screws back, now put the belt on. And before you assemble and put the front cover, I disassembled back cover because we need to put the belt back on. As you can see, there is a motor that spins the drum and we need to put the belt on it. And correct installation would be looking like that. And at this point we're ready to put the front part. You can see there is 2 rollers. Make sure you put the drum on them. It's the main support for the drum. Checking the operation, everything is intact. Let's put some screws back. Make sure that during the assembly you connect all the wires back. Time for the front cover. There's 3 hooks on the bottom and hook on all of them. Before you screw the front cover, I forgot to connect the door sensor. That comes only one way, so you're not gonna mess up. Make sure it's all connected and hook it up. Everything nice inside. 2 connectors, only one way to put it. Click. One more. Hiding the wires. Putting it back. When the control board is installed, the wire location should be looking like that. It's all secured on the hooks. And now the only thing left is put the top cover. Put it and slide it in. And this is how you fix your Samsung dryer that is not heating. All the tools and materials will be in the links in the description below this video. Thank you for watching this video, like it and subscribe to my channel.